Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful motif, octagonal motif, which is titled as Magdalene Motif. And Magdalene Motif, as per the design I have seen, it is 1, 2, 3 round motif. I have increased it, and this can be increased to any size that we want. It is customizable. So for making this, I've used my hobby store Aran acrylic yarn, 100% premium acrylic anti-peel yarn, and a 5 mm crochet hook. So let us go into the video without much delay. Chain 5, join with a slip stitch, you can begin with chain 6 or make a treble, pull up the loop to a little height to that of a treble. You can twist once, usually we twist twice, but twist once, pick up the loop from inside the center, yarn over, pull through this loop, pull through behind this, don't complete it now, again yarn over, pull through the first loop and twist, yarn over, pull through 2. So your first treble is made. Chain 2, 1 treble. So totally you should have, we need to yarn over twice and go for the treble. 8 sets of trebles and 8 sets of chain 2 spaces. So complete the set. I shall complete and get back. Now chain 1 and slip stitch on top of the treble that we made here. It is inside here. We need to not slip stitch, make a single crochet, so that you bring the yarn to the center of this loop here. Now chain 4, which is counted as 1 treble, and I'm not going to complete the stitches here. I'm going to start with 2 more trebles here, so it's an incomplete one. We need to make 5 trebles in each of the chain 2 spaces, so I'm working only 3 of them now. So when I come back, I shall place the last 2. Chain 2, place 5 trebles in the next chain 2 space. So the stitch repeat is chain 2, 5 trebles, chain 2, 5 trebles in chain 2 spaces. So complete it. I shall complete and get back. Let me work this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2. So place 5 trebles in each of the chain 2 spaces. These 5 trebles are separated by 2 chains. So complete the round. I've come to the end of the round here. I have placed 5 trebles in each of the chain 2 spaces, and where we started with an incomplete stitches in the first chain 2, I have placed my last 2 trebles there. Now I need to slip stitch to the 4th chain of the chain 4 we did in the beginning. So I'm going to take my smaller size hook, insert it under both these loops, pick up the loop and pull through, remove this hook, keep it aside, and now slip stitch, because in the beginning stitches it will be a little tight always. Again chain 4, 1 treble in the next 2 trebles, again this is an incomplete set here, 1 treble in the chain 2 space, chain 2, 1 treble again in the chain 2 space, now place 1 treble in each of these 5 trebles. So I place my 5 trebles, 1 in each of these next 5 trebles of the previous round. 1 treble in the chain 2 space, chain 2, 1 treble again. So this is a stitch repeat. So we are going to have 1 treble on each of the trebles that we worked in the previous round, and we come to the chain 2 space, we have 1 treble, chain 2, 1 treble. So continue the round in this way. So I have not completed the round yet, but I would like to share a tip here. Now we have crocheted up to this. From here we can modify the stitches and complete row after row and prepare one side of a purse if you want to make a purse out of it. And to increase the size also, you can repeat this round. Like we have increased from 5 to 7 stitches, 7 to 9 you can increase on each block with the treble, chain 2 treble in the corners here. So that is the only thing. We'll work 1 treble each on each of the trebles. Then when we come to chain 2 space, 1 treble, chain 2, 1 treble. That is the math for this particular motif. So you can continue. This is a 6-inch piece. I shall show you. This is a 6-inch piece. So if you make one more round, you will get around 7.5 to 8 inches. So whatever size you want, you need to just increase the rounds, and then when you want to change it into a purse, you need to stop at particular end here, so that you have a flat piece, and then you work in rows from here to here. That technique will be explained in some other project when I take up the tutorials for purse. Okay. And this way of working you will find in many videos in the YouTube too. Okay, let me complete this and get back. Come to the end of this round here. So slip stitch join to the 4th chain of the chain 4 that we did. To increase the size, let us make one more round. I shall complete one more round. The stitches are just very simple. We are going to place 1 treble on each of the trebles. So we have 7 trebles here, and in chain 2 space, 1 treble, chain 2, 1 treble. So continue this pattern. I shall complete the next round and get back. I've come to the end of this round here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rounds itself we get around 8 inches piece. And if you want this, you can convert it into a square motif too, using the conversion technique. Okay, now slip stitch to the 4th chain of the first 4 chains. Pick up the loop under both this. And fasten off. So we have completed this motif. This motif is titled as Magdalene Motif, and we have extended this Magdalene motif to a larger size. So this is a stitch repeat round after round, and you can use your imagination and you can change the stitches in the subsequent round as per your wish. It is our methods that we use. We can use different stitches over this and expand this particular motif. Okay, sky is the limit for your imagination. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you like this Magdalene motif, and if you happen to be the first time subscriber, please do subscribe to our channel. Do like and share our videos too. And do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Okay, bye for now. Have a great day.